Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Math Textbook 2019 onwards, Exercise 4.6, question number 1. That is multiple choice questions. First one, choose the correct or most suitable answer from the given four alternatives. The value of sine inverse cos x. The first question, sine inverse of cos x equal sine inverse of cos x we can write as sine of pi by 2 minus x, which is equal pi by 2 minus x. So our option is 3. Question number 2, sine inverse x plus sine inverse y is 2 by 3. We know that sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal pi by 2, or we can say regarding this we can write cos inverse x equal pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. Similarly, we can write cos inverse y, we can write sine inverse y plus cos inverse y equal, we can write this equal now, it is pi by 2. We know that from that cos inverse from that cos inverse x equal cos inverse y equal pi by 2 minus sine inverse y. Now we can say cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal cos inverse x is pi by 2 minus sine inverse x plus pi by 2 minus sine inverse y. Here pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus sine inverse x plus sine inverse x plus sine inverse x plus sine inverse y, which is here pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is pi. Already it's given is sine inverse x plus sine inverse y is 2 pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3 equal 3 is common, 3 is LCM, that is 3 pi minus 2 pi, which is equal pi by 3. The option is 2. Now question number 3. Here sine inverse 3 by 5. Now instead of secant inverse 5 by 3 we can write plus sine inverse, now cos inverse, secant inverse 5 by 3 is cos inverse 3 by 5, like minus cos inverse 12 by 3, cos inverse 12 by 13, and cos inverse 12 by 13, instead of cosecant inverse 13 by 12 we can write sine inverse 12 by 13. Now we know that sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cos inverse 3 by 5 is pi by 2 minus here cos inverse 12 by 13 plus sin inverse 12 by 13 is also pi by 2 which gives 0. So our option is 3. Now question number 4, sin inverse x equal to sin inverse alpha. Question number 4, sin inverse x equal sin inverse alpha. Has a solution, then we can say the options are here. Let us write here. First of all, we will consider here 2 sin alpha. Now we will consider 2 sin inverse alpha is within the limits of minus pi by 2 here plus pi by 2. Here 2 comes as a division, that is pi by 4 lesser or equal sin inverse alpha lesser or equal positive pi by 4 because 2 is divided both sides. Now you can say sine go this side, that is sine of minus pi by 4 is alpha is lesser or equal sine of pi by 4. Here sine of pi by 4 we know the value 1 by root 2, but it is minus equal alpha sine of pi by 4 is positive 1 by root 2. Then alpha have minus 1 by root 2 and plus 1 by root 2, therefore absolute value of alpha is lesser or equal 1 by root 2. Option 1 here. Question number 5, sin inverse of cos x equal pi by 2 minus x is valid of these options. Here question number 5. Now sin inverse of cos x is pi by 2 minus x. Here we can say sin inverse of cos x, we can write pi by 2, that is sin of pi by 2 minus x equal pi by 2 minus x. That means sin of sin, not like that. Here we can say this way, sin inverse of cos x is pi by 2 minus x, therefore which gives sin of pi by 2 minus x equal cos x. your sine of your sine inverse of cos x equal pi by 2 minus x. Here the value is, which is the option is x is lesser or equal 0 and lesser or equal pi. Option 2. You have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.